And we are live. Let's close. Can you close the door? Okay, we're just gonna wait, see if someone joins. Joins. I think that's how you say it. A ver si alguien se suma por ahí. Someone wants to join us. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. All right. So we're doing this 2019 Lexus. We're going to be calibrating the front distance sensor. This is the vehicle that we just did the parking sensors on. ¿Mm? No, están en el baño. Or it's not interested. Okay, so anyone interested in learning how to calibrate ADAS systems, watch the video. It's an ES350. This is a Lexus ES350. We're gonna, there's a couple people that are watching this already. If you have any questions on what we're gonna be doing, point them, put them in the chat. We're going to be calibrating that distance sensor behind the emblem, okay? So I think there's a few people watching this. How about we get it started? We get it going?
Yeah.
All right. So for you guys that are watching this, we're going to be calibrating the front distance sensor on this 2019 Lexus ES350. We're going to be using our Autel. That's the tool that we're going to use. Okay, frame rack. How are you, Linda? This is not a frame rack. It's a calibration rack. That's the one we're going to be using. Okay, that's this. That's the model number. That's the one we use most of the time. We have this one here that we haven't used. We're still trying to put it together, and we have this other one right here. This is the True Point. That one we use for mostly Teslas and Hyundai. You see that that target that we have in there? That's usually what we use it for. Those are the targets, and we're gonna get this going. If you have any questions related to this calibration, post them in there. We try to answer. We're going to try to answer them. Not the 2JZ. I think the 2JZ, that's a type of Lexus, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think it is. Okay, so we're going to get going. We're going to identify the vehicle.
That one I already have it. So you want me to start it again?
No, if it's been identified already, we done that on some of the videos. Position the frame. Put it where it has to go. So what Alex is going to do, he's just going to pull the frame back.
So now it's asking me, to position the frame.
Okay. So how do we know where it goes? I'll show you in a second. Can you show them?
Right here.
Show what you're doing.
So right here.
When we get all those specifications into the green, that's where they have to go. So Alex is going to move the angle right now. Show him what you're doing down there. Okay, so that's for the angle. And we're going to keep going. Keep going. We're going to leave it as close as we can to 0. Okay, that's that. And then we're going to do the offset. What the offset is going to do, it's just going to move, it's going to move the whole beam to left and right. And there you go. From 0. Good. You see that? Okay, so now what are we going to do now?
We can mark the thing.
The laser, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a second. So we're going to turn the laser on, and we're going to mark that position. That's going to be the position for the distance sensor reflector. Okay. Okay, so we're going to move the frame out of the way. And since we have the position acquired, which is, which one is it? We have a couple. Yeah. These are the ones that we've been doing all those marks on the floor. All right, so the one, you have the date on it, right?
Yeah, it's a 23,
Okay.
25.
So we're going to use that to position the reflector. And this is what we're doing. Let me show them the laser. You see that laser on the center of the emblem? Okay. So Linda Cox, what are you calibrating? We recalibrating the distance sensor on this vehicle. That's the one that is in charge of your adaptive cruise control. The one that you set, I mean, the adaptive cruise control, you set it for speed, and if the vehicle approaches a different vehicle, another vehicle, it'll maintain, it'll adapt to the vehicle in front of you. Okay, that's what we're doing here. These are systems that we calibrate here in the shop. We have another video where we just did the parking sensors. The parking sensors, talking about these guys right here. That one right there. We just calibrated that on another video. All right, thanks for the comments. So ready to do, right? Okay, so that is being positioned where the scanner is calling for. Okay, so we're gonna move back to the back of the vehicle. Gonna make sure that the ignition's on, the engine's off. Okay. Okay, so yes, some of them are for the parking assist. If the vehicle is equipped with the park assist, those are the sensors that it uses to park itself. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so what do we have in there?
So I'm ready to push.
Okay, so
So that's this.
that's what we have in there, okay? The car and the reflector. Click OK. We did that already. Click OK. And that's the position, and click OK. Click OK. So right now it's doing the calibration. What we do when we use commanding, we are just commanding the calibration. The vehicle itself is doing actually the calibration. So that's the specification. This vehicle is properly aligned or calibrated. The specification is between minus 0.5 to 0.5 of a degree. And this one is at 0 degree. Click OK. Calibration is complete. We're going to take a screenshot, show it to the customer, and we're going to click escape. And okay. Okay, hello. Okay, no codes. So this vehicle's got no codes, it's ready to go. We're gonna test drive it and then deliver it back to the customer. If you have any questions about ADAS, let us know. Put it on the comments, and we try to answer those as best as we can. Thank you very much for watching. We're gonna end the live here. Okay? If you have any questions, just let us know.